Let's learn our letters. Sound. I says ah. Apple starts with ah. B says ba. Ball begins with ba. C says coo. Cat starts with coo. D says goo. Dog begins with go. E says egg starts with letter sounds help us read and write. A, B, C, D, E, we're learning sounds tonight. F, G, H, I, J, say them loud and clear. Letter sounds are everywhere, sounds for us to hear. F says fish starts with poo. G says ga. Goat begins with ga. H says hoo. Hat starts with ha. I says e. Igloo begins with E. J says ju. Jump starts with ju. Letter sounds, magic in each one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, learning is so fun. K, L, we know, listen to them sing. Every letter has a sound, hear the song they bring. K says coo. Kite that starts with coo. L says la. Lion begins with la. M says no. Moon starts with no. N says no. Nest begins with na. G says not qua. Octopus starts with a. Now let's practice sounds together. Abacoo. Kids repeat da and foo. Kids repeat da and foo. Kids repeat hoo ha hee. Kids repeat no ha ho. We're doing great. Let's keep it going. He says pa. Pizza starts with pa. Q says cook. Queen begins with qu. R says roo. Rainbow starts with moo. Q says sun begins with moo. J says ju. Tiger starts with ju. Tiger. We're almost done. We're doing great. You be don't elate. HRT 1.03. Come and learn these sounds with me. U says umbrella starts with E says foo. Van begins with voo. Gummergang says water starts with wa. X says box ends with G. Joy says ju. Yellow starts with da. Yellow says zebra begins with voo. Says zebra.
Like and subscribe.